Click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Then choose the invoice option just right here. You can start to choose which customer to send the invoices to. The basic currency of that customer will appear, and you can change it by clicking on it. Then search and choose your desired currencies. And when you do change date, the product or item prices will automatically change too. This is my items on the USD currency, and here is the one with the Euro currency. Well, you can also see that the payment method will adjust too, and after that, you may complete your invoices making and send your invoices with different currency to your client. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.